Welcome to Pro Kitchen Online Video Tutorial Series, version 11. This tutorial is an overview of the automatic placement feature for cooking surfaces, outdoor grills, and bartending accessories. To add a cooking surface to any Pro Kitchen cabinet, simply select the cabinet and navigate to its attributes. There you'll find the Cooking Surfaces tab in the far left panel. Left-click to open the appliance catalog specific to cooking and bartending surfaces. The cooking folder has 3 categories to choose from: cooktops, ranges, and grills, with cooktops being divided into 3 subtypes: electric, gas, and induction. Each category has several options to choose from, including 2 great options for your bartending needs. When you select an appliance that suits your needs, a dialog box appears, allowing you to modify its dimensions if necessary. Select Add. The appliance will be added to the center panel where you can view or change its specifications. You can preview your appliance placement in the 3D panel on the far right prior to saving. To remove your appliance, use the left-facing arrow or arrows between the 2 panels. Automatic placement for cooking surfaces, outdoor grills, and bartending accessories, the newest time-saving feature in Pro Kitchen version 11. Thank you for visiting Pro Kitchen University. Be sure to visit us at ProKitchenSoftware.com.